Finally, let's get your course ready to launch. This involves a few key steps to ensure a polished and professional presentation. Refine your video content, ensuring clear audio and engaging visuals. Edit your text lessons for clarity and conciseness. Design attractive downloadable resources like checklists and worksheets. Make sure all your branding elements circumflex euros. Your logo, colors, and fonts circumflex euros are consistent throughout a polished course. Demonstrates your commitment to quality and professionalism. With your content finalized, it's time to set your pricing and create compelling sales pages. Consider different pricing strategies, such as a one-time payment or a subscription model. Think about offering tiered packages with varying levels of access or bonuses. Kajabi's platform makes it easy to customize your sales pages with persuasive copy, high-quality images, and clear calls to action. Highlight the transformation your course offers and the value it delivers to students. Once your course is ready and your sales pages are live, you'll want to promote it to your audience. Leverage social media, email marketing, and content creation to drive traffic to your sales pages. Consider running introductory offers or webinars to build excitement. Kajabi's built-in marketing tools, like email campaigns and landing pages, can help you effectively reach and convert potential students. Consistent promotion is key to a successful launch and ongoing sales. After your students enroll, focus on providing excellent support and gathering feedback. Be responsive to questions and inquiries. Actively encourage students to share their experiences and provide testimonials. Kajabi allows you to easily manage your students, track their progress, and communicate with them. Positive reviews and engaged students are the best indicators of a successful course and will naturally attract more learners over time. Celebrate your successes and learn from every interaction.